Oh, Hey, what's going on? This is Jeff. I am with SSH Drones, and the DJI FPV combo is finally here. Let's dive right into it. Let's go. Okay, so now you are pretty much unboxing and removing all the items out of the box. And off the bat, the drone, as you can see right here. Second is the goggles. Those are the first that you can see. And of course, there is the smell, the new smell of a product. I like that smell. So next is the controller. And at the bottom of the controller, you will see the extra pair of joysticks, just in case you lose them. So the next is prop B, and then prop A. So DJI actually separated the props. Next is the AC adapter. The first is the battery of the goggles, right here. And then the AC adapter to the battery of the drone. Then next, you still have a little more goodies. All right, first is the green shell, the extra shell that's on the drone. Definitely not gonna use that. And this is the head strap of the goggles. And a little more accessories, the USB-C cable. OTG cable. No, that's the OTG cable right here. And pretty much other accessories, extra joysticks, little antennas of the goggles, and the Allen wrench, some joysticks, and pretty much another cable. And last but not least, the quick start guide, aka instruction manuals. Make sure you read them. Quick assembly, just put props A where it's indicated and props B where it's indicated on the drone. Take off the gimbal cover. Alright, so putting up the antennas of the goggles right here. I'm just going to do it real fast. Yep. And also make sure that the head strap is adjusted to your head. Thanks a lot for checking out this video. This was a really quick unboxing of the DJI FPV combo. And on my next video, I will do first flight and also get into the action of the debate of an assemble real quad and the FPV quad. Like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell for my latest videos. I am Jeff with SSH Drones, and I'm signing off. All right, let's go fly this. Let's go. Stop. Yo, what y'all doing, man?